All right, this is the LeroyDiesel.com. This is the P400. I'm going to start with the tear down of it now. I've got, just to refresh your memory, these heads have not been torqued. I ordered it from the factory that way because I knew I was going to be disassembling this engine. I've got all but one of the valve cover bolts undone, and I've got the head bolts that I could access removed just to speed up the video, but I'm going to tear this down for you and we'll take it as it goes. Okay, so that's the valve cover, and across the top of the rocker arms they put "not torqued," which is fine with me. That's just a piece of tape, and they put that across there. I don't know, not torqued. Can you read it? Anyway, no big deal. Get that off of there. And now the rocker arm shafts, they probably should just be a little bit more than hand tight, I'm imagining. Yep, they're just loose. Set those inside the valve cover. Here come the push rods next. If you notice, there's a white, I guess it's paint. Let's see if I can get that in there. I don't know how well that'll show up, but right there's a white piece of, or not piece, but it's like a painted, it's the marking, and that goes up towards the rocker arm side, the rocker arm being that way. That's all 8. Now for the head bolts. I didn't count these, but I counted on the last motor. I believe there's 17 head bolts per cylinder head. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15, 16, 17. See if I can get a little better close-up on that. I don't know that it matters, but just kind of for my own records at the same time. But again, these are brand spanking new. These are not rebuilt, and it sure is nice to work on a clean motor for a change. Normally these things are just nasty, greasy messes. Alright, so I'm going to pop this head off. set it over here real quick. That's obviously the underside. Brand new. Sure is nice and clean. Get back over here. Here are the cylinders. It's got the, I'm not sure what kind of coating that is, if it's a ceramic coating, Teflon coating, what it is, but there's a coating on the top. It's for I guess it's for the turbo motors and to resist the high temperatures on top of that piston. As you would expect with a brand new motor, there's no ridge whatsoever. Head gaskets. And I'm going to put the tripod back up. Okay, so just got the head gasket off. Removing the lifters now. Inside you'll have two retainers, and that's where the bolt goes through where my thumb is and holds down against the actual lifter alignment devices, for lack of knowing what they're called, which are these two. You get two of these, or actually there's four of them, but two per retainer. The bolt goes down and kind of holds them down like that, and it's hard to do this with one hand, or actually two hands now, but still it's kind of hard to do it. And what those do is they keep the lifters in alignment so they don't turn on that roller cam. That would be bad news. But they're kind of all of these are down in a position where I can't really grab them right now. I might need to get my lifter puller tool and reach down there and grab them. Here's the second retainer. The third and the fourth alignment tool, or alignment devices. I could reach that lifter. Everybody probably knows what a roller lifter looks like. It's got the roller on the bottom, the lifter,